So I choose the HONOR X9b. I choose the color orange because attract me more the orange one.
So I bought HONOR X9b today in the color black. I chose black because I think it's just a very sleek and elegant color. And also actually I'm going to decorate the back of it, so it's going to be like quite fashionable and in trend.
Hari ni saya beli X9b HONOR warna orange. Saya memang suka color yang terang. Memang saya suka color striking lah.
Black color. Black color is look nicer.
First one is the battery life. And then the second one is the internal and the camera. The last is the color.
I like the durability. My biggest fear is like dropping my phone and like cracking it, so I think that really just attract my attention.
Saya suka dia punya ketahanan depan belakang. Lepas tu kamera dia 108. Lepas tu bateri pun besar. Lepas tu dengan harga dia murah. Bagi saya murah pasal dengan spek dia sekarang yang dibagi, memang harga berbaloi lah dengan musim sekarang ni.
So free gift, so 1499. Okay, the price is reasonable.
The spec are very good.
And the battery also can tahan 3 days.
Basically, I think it's the battery durable enough lah, long lasting. Some more, even though you drop on the floor, not easy to break. Yeah.
Honor.